Hello everyone, welcome to a very quick comparison video between Gumroad and Lemon Squeezy. Now Lemon Squeezy has been for some time here and it's been one of the biggest Gumroad competitors. Now obviously Gumroad has been a long time here and it's a good platform definitely, but Lemon Squeezy has a lot to offer. So let's take a look at just the most important things to you as a creator going on Lemon Squeezy or going on Gumroad and selling there. So, or on Lemon Squeezy, right? Now, the biggest comparing are fees basically. So, Lemon Squeezy versus Gumroad, when you take a look at their fees, a Lemon Squeezy has 5% fee plus 0.50% per transaction, $0.50 per transaction, sorry. And then you have Gumroad, which is 10% flat fee. Now both exclude payment provider fees, which will come on top of each sale. That's the obvious thing, right? Now for high volume sellers, Lemon Squeezy fees can be almost half of Gumroad's, which is quite a difference. So if you're just looking a cheaper alternative, and if you're looking to earn more as a creator, which you should, because that's your own right, as a creator, you should go with Lemon Squeezy, and that's like the first thing that I would always recommend, you know, in my point of view as a creator. So obviously Lemon Squeezy also provides free email marketing and automation up to 500 contacts. So more contacts cost a reasonable monthly fee. Gumroad offers built-in email marketing at no extra cost with some powerful features like scheduling and workflows, which, you know, it is good, but still, Lemon Squeezy outweighs Gumroad by fees by a lot. So depending on your needs and size of your email list, Lemon Squeezy might save you money there or cost more. It depends, right? Now, other benefits of using Lemon Squeezy beyond the lower fees, Lemon Squeezy attracts creators for other reasons, which is seamless integration. So you can integrate smoothly with other platforms like Zapier, ConvertKit, and even more advanced email marketing softwares and MailChimp. Now, sales tax and compliance. As a merchant of record, Lemon Squeezy handles tax compliance issues, and this is especially useful for sellers in Europe. So if you're in Europe, if you're selling for Europe and USA, then this will be really good because Gumroad only offers UK and EU VAT handling. So again, sales tax compliance is great with Lemon Squeezy as well. Now, active development, Lemon Squeezy team frequently adds new features based on user feedback. So they are heavily focused on user feedback, which makes you a really great, in a great position as a creator because you will be able to use Lemon Squeezy in a better way than Gumroad. Now there are more options when it comes to payment, 16 payment methods. So, just to go over here and see, Lemon Squeezy is still new, so it does have some drawbacks, right? It's not all rainbows and sunshine. So the interface isn't as robust and intuitive as Gumroad. Although this is a personal preference, you have to see it for yourself. There is a smaller brand recognition than Gumroad, no internal discovery feature like Gumroad offers, and no online courses. However, Lemon Squeezy is working to improve the interface, and I think in around 5 to 6 months we should see pretty good, improvements. Now, which one is better for you? Obviously, it will depend for you. But as you can see, the only case where Gumroad may still be better is a very low volumes. You sell very low volumes. Lemon Squeezy flat is $0.50 fee, is proportionally larger on smaller sales, but you need Gumroad's established brand name and audience if you want to sell on Gumroad. However, I would definitely go and recommend Lemon Squeezy as a very good alternative. But that's just my opinion. Again, comment down below which one is best for you, and yeah, let's talk about it. Thank you guys for watching.